Laura? Oh.
Oh!
Hi!
That was a lot.
Yeah.
I like your puffy sleeves.
I like your puffy sleeves.
How do you accept a compliment, right? Because we just had that conversation.
It gets really awkward because people stop me and they're like, oh my God, I love your hair.
Yeah.
Or I love your puffy sleeves. And I'm like, thank you.
Yeah. But we'll talk about that in a sec. But today we're going to talk about what?
Contouring.
Because I have a round face, let's face it, and I do like to elongate. Look, I accept my body and what it is, but I do like to elongate my face. It's cute. It's a nice look. So
let's get down and dirty. As a man who has been in the beauty industry for years, your makeup, your clothes becomes like this. Girl, I feel like I'm going into
extension
war.
of your personality.
Exactly. Not only that, but it's also kind of like that.
Armor?
Yeah.
Oh,
like an
I love
armor
it.
of just like you're ready to battle and take on the world and anything that life is gonna throw at you.
So that's Brady. Me, I'm all about it. It helps me to open up my light so I can inspire people by the light. So I like that. That's where the bad and bougie comes
yes.
from. I
very
love it.
like we come from very different worlds and we see things very differently, but that's why we're here to do these shows, so we can teach people.
So if you want to see more videos like this, hit that little subscription bell thing, the notification, because then you get notified of the upcoming videos. So there you go.
All right.
Cool, let's do it.
You ready?
I love contouring.
Same. It's probably one of the greatest things, and as a fair person myself, I do love a good bronzer. So we're
You
gonna
should have seen his face. He got so excited.
All right, so first we're gonna start in with like a warm color. We're just really put some tone in her skin. She does have a blush, so we're just gonna add what she already has. And with this, I love using a natural hair tapered fiber brush because you're just gonna get a better blend with where you're going.
I feel like you're doing it right on my cheekbone too.
Yes. I'm not doing it here. A lot of people do it underneath, and that's actually, no. Yeah, you wanna go just a little bit upper on the bone.
Love that.
Come down to the same side. Now, if anybody knows the difference between bronzer and contour, that is probably the biggest piece of information I can ever teach. Bronzer, warm. It's going to add color. It's going to add pigmentation to the skin as if the sun is hit them.
Love that.
So the only places that you would really do that is right through here and right here.
Oh.
A lot of people do contouring here, which you do.
Up here.
Yes, but you do your color and your bronzer and your blush right there at the point of your forehead.
Oh.
Because the sun comes down right there.
So bronzer here and then contouring on the cheeks.
Yes, but we're also using this bronzer and blending it into your blush. So blush here, bronzer here, and it flows this way.
Beautiful.
Now,
Sun
we're gonna
kissed.
take a little bit, sun-kissed. Exactly. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit bigger of a fluffier brush. I'm gonna go in with my dark colors.
Ooh.
And then I'm just gonna set it right there.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Ah, cool.
Every time you're like, boo, put my cheek on. We were getting ready for the pageant, and I will always remember this day because she's like, huh. She was upset because she was like, where's my lines? Where's my darkness? Where's my depth? So, and you can see like her actual jawbone is right here. Like that's where that indent is, and we're going a lot higher. Did I just whip you in the face with a brush?
Nothing you haven't done before.
She's dealt with my abuse for many years. We don't call it beat a face for nothing.
Oh, too funny. Too funny.
All right. Oh, girl. There's those cheekbones.
So, as you're doing my face, loving it, we were talking about how to accept a
compliment.
A compliment, right?
It's really hard. And
Yeah.
I see so many people get uncomfortable. I myself get so uncomfortable when somebody's like, oh my God, I love your hair. And I'm like, thank you.
Yeah, but it's the whole thing of energy flow. And so if you block a compliment, you're actually closing off your energy flow. You want to have the yin and the yang, in and out. So if you say no to a compliment, you're actually blocking off your abundance. You know, so we want to have that flow in life, and so we accept it. And if you feel uncomfortable like Brady here, then you can literally give them a compliment. You accept it, say thank you, and then say, I love your whatever's got going on, you know.
I feel like, wouldn't that just be the pay it forward concept?
Absolutely.
Where you're just,
yeah.
you know, they
paying
gave
it
you
forward,
one.
because what you give out, you get back tenfold. One, that's awesome. See?
Lessons with Laura.
I love it.
Life lessons with Laura.
Oh, LL.
We got a new segment. We got a new segment idea.
LL, love it. Okay.
All right, back to contour real quick. Okay, so how many of you guys have that hairline that you're just like, okay, I hate pulling my hair back. We're gonna do contour, but I'm gonna show you how to do contour where you're contouring your hairline. Laura is blonde, but that does not mean we need a blonde color to contour. We're literally just gonna take this small baby brush right here and press it into the hairline. And that's gonna create depth right there, so it's gonna create shading. Tricks.
So what are you using?
I'm actually using one of my favorite palettes. I found this palette during the pandemic. I was in the search for like the perfect contour palette that has all my shades. And I found this one from Lunatic Cosmetics.
Cool.
I love them. And I'm like, oh, I probably should order like the other 3 palettes.
Did you see the double take? Love it.
It's usually, you want to get me like in an evil mood or makeup, like let's just tear through Sephora. I mean, you've been to Sephora with me and you know how scary it is. I'm like an assassin,
Yeah.
like.
There's a lot of products in there.
Mm-hmm. All right. And my favorite is everybody tries to contour the nose. Don't contour the nose, because if you contour the nose and you use the same colors that you're using on the face, you're just gonna make the nose look extremely muddy, and it's gonna show up on film and camera.
Love that you said that.
Mm-hmm. So many people do it. What you actually want to do is my favorite trick in the world. Highlight.
Oh, should we do it on the next video?
Damn right.
If you want to see the next video, the link, it's seriously gonna go to the next video. So
Just
keep on watching.
just jump on it.
Just keep on doing it.
We'll see you on the next one.
That's Bad and Bougie. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Laura? Oh, hey.